angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what blessings are coming next for you, friends. For Cancers, yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, this reading is for you. If you know a Cancer person, you can cross watch it for them. This is a timeless reading, friends. Whenever you watch it, it will help you and resonate you. It is also a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Don't take stress. There is already enough of it in the world. Just stay blessed. Friends, let's see for Cancers. Do join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. Please do subscribe. There also, friends, I post daily there, and also if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. So for Cancers, what blessing is coming next for Cancers? Let's see. So you can also watch the readings in Hindi if you like, or English. I have done a lot of June readings also, pick a card readings. You can check that out also. Wow, the judgment is here. Cancers, what blessings are coming for Cancers? Oh my God. You got the Tower, the Two of Swords. Okay, let me just shuffle it a bit and then I'm going to... For Cancers, what blessings are coming? I think clarity is coming, Cancers. You are not clear about something. You need a decision, is there? Yeah, see, you are hurt. You are confused about it. For Cancers, what blessing is coming? Wow. Ooh, Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Pentacles, Cancer, the Hermit. What is this Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords about? The Strength. What is this Three of Swords about? Oh my God. Cancers, I feel definitely the main blessing that is coming towards you is clarity. It is like, you are going to find the clarity. Sorry, friends. I feel like Cancer, I feel the main blessing that is coming towards you is God trying to guide you. They are trying to show you the path for you. I feel there is something that you need to do, and you are looking for signs or angels, messages to guide you, or the universe to help you out. I think you are confused regarding something, Cancers. Like you need to make a decision, but you don't know what is the right decision or the right path to something. I feel if you are not making a decision, I think God or universe is going to make it on your behalf, and it will be a positive change. I think some sort of a sudden shakeup can happen in your life, in your, I feel, relationships, or in your awakening, in your spiritual nature, or your belief system. Something can shake up in your life, and I feel this is because you need to make a decision and you are not making a decision, Cancers. But I think this is because God is trying to show you something. They are trying to tell you the universe has a plan here, and it will be shown to you. I feel you want a happy family or a happy relationship or long term commitment. If you are already married, there is a chance like you may not be happy in this marriage, or you want something more from this marriage. Like you are married, but there is no emotional connection, passion, no depths. So there is some hurt, some pain. I feel like you want more in this marriage, or you want something else also. It could also be like, you could be in a third party situation, some of you, Cancers. Maybe you are, or someone has put you in a third party situation, or someone has really, really hurted you. It could be a husband, it could be a wife, it could be a soulmate, ex lover, friend, anyone. I feel, or you yourself are hurt, just like because you can't take a decision what you need to do, so you are like frustrated. But I feel clarity is going to come. What you need to do, you need to follow your intuition, you need to follow your heart. I feel an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important to you. I also feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important to you. I feel someone has really put you in a negative in a heartache, and they have been not deciding on you, or you are not able to take a decision on it. Some positive changes are going to come towards you in that relationship. I feel in your life also in general, like you are spiritually awakening. Some truths are being revealed to you. Something that was hidden will be shown to you. It will be cleared, and it will help heal this wound in your heart. And it will also bring you this 10 of pentacles. You know, you already have the cups, but you want this pentacle, a grounded, a stable passion, emotions, everything. You want everything, Cancers, and it's coming for you. It's coming for you. It's coming for you. And I feel like there is this connection. You could be dealing with a twin flame partnership, and you may be not in contact, or some fights, or some hurt is going on in this twin flame or this strong soulmate connection. I think it will be resolved. It will be resolved, and it will be done by the fate, by the universe for you. I feel even if you do not, you are confused, you don't know what to do, Cancer. But something is happening. Something is happening. Some changes are going to happen which will lead you to forward movement in this relationship or in your life. I think if you are stuck anywhere, truth will be shown, and hurts will be healed, and life will progress, and you will get your 10 of pentacles, this happy family, this stability, security, money, loyalty. And I feel another blessing that is coming towards you is like something will be shown to you, and you will have to you will start learning some new projects, or you will start learning on some new music or craft, art, some sort of a new education maybe, or skill. I think you will be learning. Something will be shown. Like if you are confused regarding if your marriage is not working, love life is not working, I feel this change is occurring in your career also. Something will be shown to you, and that you will work on, like perfect your skills or craft or learn a new thing, and it is going to change your life. It is going to bring you a lot of success, money, recognition, and long term success, not just like short term but long term success. Angels, what will happen for Cancers? What blessings? In which area this blessing is coming? Let's just clarify. I feel it has to do with your relationships. If you are married, your relationship could be tested. But I feel you will come out stronger than before. So don't worry about it. Okay, you could be, I told you, Cancer, you could be dealing with a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So which area? I think it has to do with your mind also, how you see life, how you see your relationships, and how you feel about yourself. That blessings are going to affect your relationships, your mind, your intellect, your belief. Which area will be affected? In which area the blessings are coming? Wow, in finances also, and defenses. Yeah, definitely. What you consider your own, that is also shifting. That is shifting, and your finances are going to become stronger. I think you are feeling like your finances are not that great, or you should be more rich by now. Something you are working on. You have worked from 7 to 9 years maybe on a relationship. You are single right now, but you have worked on yourself for 7 to 9 years. I think that is where the main area this blessing is coming. Let us see the advice for you for Cancers. What blessings are coming for Cancers? Let's see that. So this is very interesting. I feel the blessings will come on your mind level, on your spirit level, on yourself, on your relationships, and on your finances. Wow. See, take the lead. Number 3. Absolutely. This is a time to know what you want and go for it, friends. This is not the time to settle for less or be confused. You will be shown the path, and you should take the lead. I think right now you don't know which way to do or what is the right path, but it will be shown to you, and you should act and go for it. Even whether it is about a relationship or your career. Embrace. Number 21. Yes. Embrace. The world is opening for you. Love is coming for you. Success is coming for you. It is time to open your heart. I think some of you could be spiritually awakening also for Cancers. When you spiritually awaken, you will become like, wow, everything is clear now, finally. That moving on, I definitely see some of you could be leaving a bad relationship. You already know the answer, but you are kind of not, you want the universe to show it to you very clearly, or you want the universe to do it for you, so that you can't, you know, maybe there are people involved which you love a lot. Like maybe if you are a student, you want to move out of the house for your job or something, but you love your family also, so it's a bit of a like, so you want the universe like, give me a job which is in a different city, so I can just say like, I got the job there and I want to move. So that way it kind of, you know what I mean, right? So you already know, so you will let go of something and you will embrace something better. That's beautiful. Open up. Yes, things are opening up for you, Cancers, and in the most beautiful way. And I definitely see new opportunities and new ideas also for your career. Let's see one final message for Cancers. What blessings. Wow, again time to go. I think some situation is ending. You need to leave it, whether it is a city or where you live or a relationship, you need to change it and you know it. You are just waiting. You are just waiting for the time. For Cancers. Okay. We have the rooster, an arrogant boastful person you should not cross. So maybe you are worried like if you make a choice for yourself, people will be unhappy, like if you are married, if you want to leave that, or if you are it's not like you're gonna leave your marriage. It's like you want some space and you want to make that marriage better or something, but you know it might hurt your partner. If you are in a committed relationship or if you are single, you just want to move ahead in life. That's what you want to do, but you know it can hurt people around you. Tower, solid foundation, success with effort. You have worked very hard on yourself and on a relationship or something, or a career goal. It is going to work out for you. Money path, money is coming towards you. And owl, good advice from a wise person. I definitely feel, since high priestess is also there in the cards below, someone can help you out, someone who has a lot of knowledge or spiritual knowledge, or you yourself could be spiritually growing. See, parrot, gossip, someone will gossip about all your secrets. I think you should keep your plans to yourself if you want to move ahead, because people may not like it when you say it to them. So you should keep it to yourself, and just when you have done it, then let them get it. June is important for you. I think, yeah, oh my God, I'm doing it when it's May right now. So this could be for June that's coming, or the last year June, or the year coming June ahead. So yeah, that's it for now, Cancers. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you wanna buy a personal reading, please visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. And friends, do let me know if this reading resonated with you. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye.